In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leave a comment on a task. This simple process is essential when you want to provide feedback, ask questions, or engage in discussions about specific assignments. So let's get started. First, you'll need to navigate to the task you want to comment on. This can usually be done by opening up your task management platform or your project board. Once you're in, go ahead and find the specific task or project that you have thoughts on. It might be a task you've recently completed, one that you're currently working on, or even a task that's being handled by a team member that you're monitoring. Once you've found the task, click on it to open up its details. Now that you have the task open, what you want to do is scroll down to the comments section. The comments section is where all the conversation around the task happens. This is where you can see other people's feedback, share your own thoughts, or ask any pertinent questions. It's a key area for collaboration and communication within your project. As you scroll through the comments, take a moment to read what others have posted. This gives you a good idea of the discussion that's already taken place and ensures your comment remains relevant and meaningful. Once you familiarize yourself with the ongoing conversation, you're ready to type your comment. Find the text box designated for new comments. This is where you'll be inputting your thoughts or feedback. As you type your comment, make sure to be clear and concise. It's important to provide enough context so that other team members understand your point of view or inquiry. If you're asking a question, make sure to frame it in a way that is precise and easy to respond to. Writing a comment is an excellent opportunity to add value to your team's work, so take your time to compose it thoughtfully. After you've written your comment, ensure you've reviewed it for any errors or misinterpretations. Sometimes reading your comment aloud or thinking about how others might perceive it can be helpful. This step can help prevent any communication issues and reinforce a positive, collaborative environment. Once satisfied with your comment, simply click the post button. This action will publish your comment instantly, making it visible to anyone else who accesses the task. From here, other participants can reply to your comment, sparking further discussion and engagement. And that's it. You've successfully left a comment on the task. This straightforward process is an instrumental part of fostering collaboration and efficient project management. Keep in mind that commenting is not just about giving opinions, but is a fundamental part of clear and productive communication. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide helps you interact more effectively with your project.